Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick but important topic. How to professionally and politely ask about availability when something isn't quite what you're looking for. Let's say you're searching for a vehicle and the seller sends you options, but they're all too far away. You don't want to sound rude, but you do want to know if there's something closer. In this video, I'll show you how to rephrase your message in a clear, respectful, and friendly way that gets the job done without burning any bridges. Let's get started. 1. Start-stop system. Function. Automatically shuts off the engine when the car is idle and restarts it when the driver engages the clutch or releases the brake. Where it's found. Common in modern petrol and diesel cars like Ford EcoBoost, VW TDI, Honda Earth Dreams. How it saves prevents fuel wastage during long stops, for example, traffic jams or red lights. Reduces engine idle time, extending engine life. Estimated savings, $60 to $120 a year on fuel depending on city driving frequency. 2. Cruise control and adaptive cruise control. Function, maintains a constant speed, reducing fuel-wasting acceleration and braking. Where it's found, standard or optional in most mid-range sedans and SUVs. Adaptive cruise control uses radar to adjust your speed automatically based on traffic. How it saves, reduces throttle fluctuations leading to smoother fuel consumption, minimizes driver fatigue and improves safety. Estimated savings, $50 to $150 a year on highway trips. 3. Eco-driving mode. Function limits throttle response, adjusts transmission shifts, and sometimes optimizes AC use. Where it's found, Toyota, Hyundai, Nissan, and even some diesel BMWs. How it saves, encourages slower acceleration and efficient driving. Some systems delay upshifts to keep RPMs low. Estimated savings, 5 to 15%, better fuel economy, up to $200 annually. 4. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Function, alerts drivers when tires are underinflated. Where it's found, mandatory in many cars after 2007, US and Europe. How it saves, proper inflation improves fuel efficiency by up to 3%, prevents uneven tire wear, extending tire life. Estimated savings, $50 a year in fuel plus $300 every 3 to 4 years in tire wear. 5. Fuel economy display, or instant fuel consumption gauge. Its function is to show live data on fuel usage, average miles per gallon, and driving efficiency. You can find it in most modern dashboards or infotainment displays. It helps by making drivers more conscious of habits like hard braking and rapid acceleration, encouraging smoother, more efficient driving. The estimated savings? Around $100 to $250 a year just by adjusting driving behavior. 6. Regenerative braking, found on mild hybrid diesel or petrol cars. Its function is to convert braking energy into usable electrical power. You can find it in mild hybrids like the Suzuki SIVs, Kia EcoDynamics, and Mercedes Blue Efficiency. It saves by reducing the fuel needed to power electronics and lowers brake wear by recapturing energy. The estimated savings are $80 a year in fuel plus $200 every 2 to 3 years in brake pad replacements. 7. Lightweight alloy wheels. These are lighter than steel wheels, reducing unsprung mass. They are common in performance and economy cars like Mazda, Honda, and Ford. Lighter wheels require less energy to rotate, improving fuel economy slightly, and reducing suspension stress over time. The estimated savings, $30 to $50 a year in fuel plus extended life of shocks and springs. 8. Aerodynamic enhancements. Spoilers, air curtains, smooth underbody panels, and active grille shutters reduce air resistance. You can find these in models like the Ford Focus, VW Passat Blue Motion, Honda Civic, and some pickup trucks. These enhancements improve high-speed fuel economy by 5 to 10%, reduce wind noise, and improve driving comfort. The estimated savings? $100 to $300 a year on long-distance or highway driving. 9. Manual transmission in some cases. This gives full control of gear selection to the driver. You'll find it in base models of compact cars and older diesels. It allows gear selection for fuel efficiency, like upshifting early and there's no power loss through torque converters as in older automatics. The estimated savings? $100 a year or more with skilled driving, although modern CVTs and DCTs often match or exceed manuals. 10. Smart maintenance alerts and OBD2 systems. These alert you to maintenance needs like oil, filters, and fluids and show error codes for engine health. Nearly all cars since 2000 are OBD2 compliant. These systems save by providing early warnings to prevent expensive repairs and allow DIY fixes with an inexpensive OBD2 scanner. The estimated savings? $200 to $1,000 a year in avoided breakdowns or service charges. Would you like a printable version, or should I help you turn this into a blog post, LinkedIn article, or YouTube video script?